Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. I'll try to make it using like one or two divs. I'll first try to make it with a single div. So let's remove this. And the background will be obviously changed to the color dark blue. So paste. And let's go for plus star, and now let's give it some properties. So I'll go with width 100, height 100, and then background, and the background will be this color. Let me switch on the difference, and now we'll give it some margin. So margin will be in the beginning 100. I think I need to give something around 70. 71, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 75 is correct, and 110, 111, 12, 11 is correct. So we need to increase the width to maybe 180. Yeah, and the height will be around, I think, 150. Yeah. So now I'll use clip path. So clip path. So 0, 0. Then I'll go to the next corner on the top, which is 100% and 0. Then I'll straight away try to figure out this corner coordinates. I think it will be around 15% and 100%. Okay, my bad. I forgot to write polygon. I'll cut it. Polygon. Paste. No, it's a little bit off. Maybe 13. I think I have to do something with the margins. So 17, 16, 16.5. Yeah, pretty accurate. Now I'll take it upwards, so one point will be 16.5% and the other one will be, I think, around 70. Nah, 60. Yeah, 60 looks quite promising. Now I'll simply do mathematics. 100 minus 16.5 gives us 83.5. So 83.5% and 60%. And now I'll simply take it downwards, which will give us 83.5% and 100%. I know there are slight differences, but we'll see it. First, let me at least complete. So now it's turn for a div, which is A. So I'll do this. And now I'll give the value around width 200 and height around 100, and background will be this one. Let's paste it, and suppose we give the value, wait, let me first do position fixed. Yeah, good. So now I'll use margin and give a value of 100 and 100 as usual. Wait, I don't even need to give a value here. I'll just decrease this to 10, 20, 30. Yeah, 30 looks perfect. And wait, why isn't it? Okay, never mind. We'll need two divs. B and this. Also, let's give the position fixed here only. So position fixed A, B. So we need to do some little changes, not much. And the changes will be, first of all, instead of 75 it will be 85? No. 65, 66, 67, yeah, 67 is correct, and 101, yeah, looks pretty good. Yeah, 102 looks even better. 102.5, no, 102 is enough. So now further we go, the margin will be 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97. So now I'll give the value here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 73. Now let's decrease the height to 90, 80, 70, 60. Yeah, 60 is correct. Further 220, 230, 240. Now it isn't anything complex to use clip path here, because obviously we know what the values are going to be. 0 and 100%, because on the lower left corner, now it will be 25% and 0, because of this corner, the upper left corner. Now we'll go to the middle, so 50% and 100%. And the next one is going to be 75% and 0. And the last one is obviously 100% and 100%. I know we need to make slight changes in the margins, so I'll do that. 72, 73, 74, 71, 72, 73. 72 is still pretty correct. Let's see how much it matches. I wish the thing that happened yesterday doesn't happen. Good. We got a score of 622.49. So pretty good. We can slightly increase it by just doing this. Submit. Yeah, so now it is 623.36. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.